Welcome to Miami Auto Bros, One Low Magma, coming at you with a new video for your F-150. Today we're going to be tackling the steering wheel in your truck. This is for if you got to swap out your steering wheel, it's all old and cruddy, or maybe if you're going to upgrade your steering wheel like I'm going to do. I'm going to take you step by step, so just make sure you like and comment. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. You got to disconnect your battery instead of resetting your SRS airbag system. This is the best way to do it. Just let it sit there for about 5-10 minutes. To start with, we're going to use a small pick that's going to be able to insert through the side of the steering wheel in these little holes right here and right here. And we're going to go ahead and you're going to push in through the hole until you feel it press against the airbag. And then you're going to take the airbag and pull it away from the truck. Like so. Now with the airbag disconnected, we can focus on the airbag clips. Get yourself a small flat head. You're gonna pry up on the orange clips, and then you could pry out the connector. Once that connector's off, you can go ahead and disconnect this red connector. Disconnect the connector. Then you can set the airbag off to the side. Next, you want to make sure you disconnect this cable here, which is for all your buttons on your steering wheel. And all you got to do is press down on this clip at the top and pull out. Just like that. And now we're going to go ahead and loosen the steering wheel nut. Now your steering wheel nut is a 15/16. And we're going to go ahead and loosen it. Now, if you guys seen the show before, you know we're not going to just swap out to anything stock. Here's the steering wheel I took off the truck. We're going to be replacing it with a custom carbon fiber steering wheel. It has the red inlay on the stitching, red inlay in the steering wheel. We also have a custom airbag cover that we're going to swap over. We do have to transfer out the buttons. So the entire button assembly that's on the steering wheel, we're going to have to transfer it over. You may or may not have to do this depending on what steering wheel you got. But right now what we're going to do is disassemble both of them so that we can go ahead and transfer over the buttons. Basically, to take out your switch cover, you're just going to take this and pry back on the plastic. Keep prying on both sides. At the top, pry. Once it comes loose, it does have 2 pins right in the center, so don't pry back or pull or anything. Once you have it loose, just pull straight out. At that point, the harness is just tucked back here behind the steering wheel. It has some rubber insets and it's pushed up in here. And then it has 2 clips that we're just gonna push out. Since the steering wheel is off the truck, you can just flip it over. Once that's popped off, your button assembly comes out. And now I'm gonna go ahead and transfer everything over to the new one. All right, so now that we got our steering wheel button swapped over, and once you're done with that, you could pop in your airbag. I'm going to transfer over the airbag cover, so I'm just gonna take one extra step here. 9mm, and you got 4, 1, 2, 3, and 4. And we're gonna transfer the whole airbag assembly out of the stock airbag cover into the customized one. All right, I got the 4 nuts off, and you're gonna slowly pull this off. Here's the bracket. Here's the airbag inside its airbag cover, and it's just as simple as popping it out and transferring it over. All right, I'm not gonna lie, that was a little bit scary. Basically, it's just a whole folded bag within this cover here. So be very gentle taking your whole airbag out and putting it into the new one. Here's the customized brand new one. And we're gonna go ahead and I'm gonna put the bracket right back on. This cinches it all down. All right, now we're back at the truck. Installation is gonna be the reverse of disassembly. So we're gonna go ahead and put the steering wheel back on the steering column and tighten down the nut as the first thing. Make sure you're careful with your airbag wires. All right, I believe it's 40 foot-pounds. Now we're gonna pop our harness plug back in. Now we're ready for the airbag. We're gonna go ahead and connect your airbag clips back into their corresponding yellow and blue. Push it in nice and soft. Once it's nice and flat, you're gonna push in the orange tab to lock it in. And then there's also one red cable off of the airbag that goes over here on the left hand side to this red plug here. All right, got them plugged in, and now it just goes in nice and center and pushing hard. Almost forgot the last step is to tighten down your battery. Nice and tight and you're good to go. Thank you for watching One Load Magma Miami Auto Bros. If this helped you out, if you changed your steering wheel and this video helped you out, drop us a comment, subscribe to the channel, give us a like. Thanks for watching.